Are you preparing for Goethe A1? Then this video is for you. Because in this, we'll see Goethe A1 speaking. As all of you know, this is a full speaking course for Goethe A1. And in today's video, we'll see speaking module. In that, particularly, it is making request. It is called as beaten also. Okay. So without wasting any time, we'll just start with the video. We'll see with one screen that what is this particular module, and in that what is this making request. Okay, so just understand that in exam this is style 3 making request, but here in our course, speaking course, this is part 8. You just have to understand this. Don't just confuse in between these two. So this is Goethe A1 Tile 3, beaten. Now first we'll see important phrases. First one is, Können Sie mir bitte helfen? Can you please help me? Okay, this is the most important phrase, I would say, that you will use it more often in Germany also and in your exam also. Then the second one is, Können Sie bitte langsamer sprechen? Could you please speak more slowly? Langsamer is more slowly. Langsam is slowly and langsamer is more slowly. Then the third one is, darf ich bitte Ihr Handy benutzen? This means, may I please use your mobile phone? Because handy is mobile and benutzen is to use. On my channel, there is a series in shorts. It is called as one word at a time. In that, every day I take one word, explain its meaning and example sentence. You can go and watch. I will give the link in the description box. Now the next phrase is, Können Sie bitte das Fenster öffnen? Meaning, could you please open that window? Fenster is window. Now example dialogue. Können Sie mir bitte helfen? A will say. Then B will say, natürlich, meaning naturally, very much similar to English. And practice polite tone because you are making request. Okay, so you have to speak politely in polite tone. Okay, right? So I hope this is clear with you. Now see you in next video. Till then, practice. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel, like and share. So that's all for today, friends. Thank you and bye-bye.